B equals to A over 3A positive C. Which of the following expresses A in terms of B and C? That is, we have to solve for A in terms of B and C in this equation. Okay, now let me take the equation as it is. That is B equals to A over 3A positive C. Let me multiply both sides of the equation by this denominator, that is 3A positive C. Let me do it on the left side, that is times 3A positive C. Here 3A positive C, 3A positive C will cancel out. Now we can distribute this B to this 3A and C, then I am getting 3AB positive BC equals to A. Let me subtract 3AB from both sides of the equation. Then this positive value, negative value will cancel out. I'm getting BC equals to A negative 3AB. Now, the greatest common divisor for these two terms on the right side is A. So, we can factor A out. Okay, let me do it. That is BC equals to. So, A has to be factored out. Then A times. When A is factored out, to get the stuff inside the parenthesis, we have to divide both the terms by the one I factored out. That is A. When I divide this A by A, I am getting 1. When I divide this negative 3AB by A, I am getting negative 3B. Okay, my aim is to get the value of A in terms of B and C. Okay, let me divide both sides by 1 negative 3B to get this one. Okay, let me do it on the left side. That is 1 negative 3B. So this 1 negative 3B, 1 negative 3B will cancel out. I am getting BC divided by 1 negative 3B equals to A. Here I got the value of A in terms of B and C. That is A equals to BC over 1 negative 3B. I find this one in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.